So my name is Sochima. I'm a self-taught hardware developer and a robotic enthusiast, and I love creating things that can solve problems in our society. So, that's a lot of my projects I've been working on, and thank God everything went smoothly. Some of them are well developed, and this is my journey, and this is what I do for a very long time. My first project I've done, and I do always remember that. So that was when I was very young, and now that is making a helicopter. Yes, I try much possible if that can be able to fly up, but it couldn't fly. So my project then was a helicopter. When I was young, I tried that multiple times, but it didn't work. But I still look ahead to keep trying because it's not good to give up on anything that you want to achieve.
Hello everyone, my name is Sochima and I'm a hardware robotics developer.
Jarvis, open the mask.
For the past 15 years, I have been passionate about creating innovative technologies using recycled materials sourced from discarded items. I have successfully built surveillance drone, robotic arms, AI-powered system, military defense prototype, and underwater drones. My dream is to develop advanced robotics and machines that can help solve real-world human problems and improve lives. Despite the challenges I have faced along the way, through social media, I also share my journey to educate, inspire, and encourage young people who are interested in engineering and technology. Today, I am grateful to have built a community of over 500,000 followers across my platform. This is more than just a dream. This is the future.
Look here. Look down.
Okay, basically, growing up in an area where people don't have so much interest in building craft and also perfecting their craft. So I pick interest in seeing daily innovation, like many type of cars or seeing a helicopter or airplane, how it works on how it flies. So that inspired me, and I picked interest and I said to myself, how can this be possible? I want to do something like this in the next future. So I asked myself, how can this be possible? And I did not just only ask myself, I only also think how I can be able to build this. And I have no one to teach me or maybe this way, that way. And also, I pick interest in watching sci-fi movies like Avengers, Transformer,
Mm-hmm.
like see robotics, how they work. And yes, so combining all these things, I could be able to think forward and also not to wait for someone to help me. And I grew up in an environment where this is not valued. So, and I said to myself, I will not wait for someone to teach me or to direct me, do it this way, but I will push myself. So during then I was 7 years old. So that's how I started building it. And I use recycled materials from the trash yard or waste bin. So I go there, pick it up, and also think on projects I will build with these local materials. Then I started that way, start building it for many times. And okay, so it's good to start, and for kids that are interested in stuff like this, though it's very difficult to be on the line. So you have to try as much as possible to, for you to stay engaged in whatever you want to achieve. And also, you don't need people to clap for you before you start whatever you want to start. So you have to be on the line and also do something that could help the society, even though no one starts clapping for you at the moment. But you have to be upright and also think ahead of the future, and also practice all the time, consistency, because that's the main key. So to kid out there, just keep trying and don't wait for someone to motivate you before you start, but start. And because you don't have to be great to start, but you have to start to be great.